Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I am leaving for Walmart and I just purchased my kids, what are they called? The biggest blind bag. I have the Ryan Mini and the PJ Masks. So we're going to head home and we're going to unbox these. We'll unbag these. And I'm going to let you guys know what's on the inside of them. This is what came with the Minnie Mouse. I think this is a really good deal for $10. My daughter got the Minnie Mouse
toys.
Teddy bear, glasses. This says a dig surprise. This is some ooze, so I guess that is like some what's it called? Slime. And they also got these other little toys, a little shovel, a purse. And this came separate from the car. So this is all what was inside the Mini. And this is what was inside the Ryan. Basically like the same thing. The stuffed toy. And I think this is a little robot that they have to assemble. The little Ryan toy figure. This is a dig surprise.
And a robot.
And then this is part of the robot leg.
Slime.
And then some slime. Alright, you guys, this is what they came with the PJ Masks. A mask, the little stuffed doll, the sticky slime, the dig surprise, a little action figure,
and a race car.
And the race car. So you guys should check this out at Walmart. It was only $10. And okay, yeah, and a little tattoo came as well. It was only $10. I think that was a real good deal.
What is this?